What the hell is that?
What do you mean?
What the hell did I hire you for?
Well, if you didn't hire me for my good looks, then it must be because I'm smart.
I hired you because you're the best at what you do, and right now, you're making a bad decision.
Look, well, if you haven't noticed, there's L's and W's, man.
No, that's the game you're playing. The losers and the winners. If you want to be up here, you need to start thinking different. It's either you learn and become wealthy, or you sit and play the kid games and throw a fit and throw your case like you're doing right now.
You're right. I needed to hear this, but I did it on purpose. The last case that we worked together, it didn't go so well. And this was the only chance that I had to see if we can stick it to them together.
And I get it, kid. But the next time you want to throw a case, thinking there's a hole in the ship, you better learn how to turn that ship into a submarine, because that's the only way I'm going under. Let's go. We need to go talk to the judge because we need to make the Titanic look like it was a baby step on the moon for us.